In today's tutorial, we're going to show how to split table in Microsoft Word. First, select the row where you want to split. Then go to Table Tools, select Layout. Here you can see the option Split the table. Click on it. Now you can see that the table will divided by two parts. Add the divider. Now you can move this one where you want, and also this one where you want. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more videos.